Namaskara Bangalore, Nano Nimma Jetal, and today we'll be doing the project overview of Purva Silver Sky located in Electronic City Phase 2 by Purvankara Group. And right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. This will be the main entrance of your project, and once you enter, on my right hand side is the marketing office and the land parcel starts from here itself. And now in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. And this project is spread across 7 acres of land parcel with 3 iconic towers, with each tower of basement, ground plus 32 floors. And this project offers you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part. And this project is located just opposite to Florence Institute on Huskur Road in Electronic City Phase 2. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Florence Institute and this is the Huskur Road, and this road will connect you towards Huskur. The opposite side road will take you towards Mumbai Highway. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and landmarks of this project. So you can connect to Next Gen Doctor Academy in just 250 meters from your project. Huskur Metro is 1.6 kilometers away. M5 E-City Mall is 1.7 kilometers away from your location. Now about the amenities part, and Purva Silver Sky provide you world-class amenities like of gymnasium, yoga deck, kids play area, multi-purpose court, badminton court, clubhouse and many more amenities. Now about the super built-up area, and this project offers you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK residencies, where 3 BHK starting from 1850 square feet and goes up to 2300 square feet, 4 BHK starting from 2800 and goes up to 4200 square feet, and 5 BHK starting from 4800 square feet and goes up to 5400 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail along with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of Purva Silver Sky located in Electronic City Phase 2 by Purvankara Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.